A very good evening to all the eminent speakers, dignitaries, and participants. I, Kumari Archana, PhD research scholar in the Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Jamshedpur, take this privilege to welcome you all to the inaugural function of 6 days online faculty development program on recent advancement in e-mobility for developing power utility, sponsored by AICTE ATAL, organized by Department of Electrical Engineering, NIT Jamshedpur. I would now request Dr. Mrinal Kranti Sarkar sir, coordinator of this faculty development program, to brief about this program. Dr. Mrinal Kranti Sarkar sir, please.
Okay. Very good evening. The Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Akshay Kumar Rathore sir, respected Professor Gautam Sutradhar sir, Director, Professor M.K. Sinha, Dean Research and Consultancy, and Dr. Madhu Singh, HOD of Electrical Engineering and Chairman of this AICTE ATAL FDP, and distinguished resource persons, respected all deans, HODs, faculty members, and participants. On behalf of the organizing committee, it is my privilege to welcome you all in the inaugural ceremony of this 6 days online AICTE ATAL sponsored faculty development program on recent advancements in e-mobility for developing power utility. This faculty development program in recent advancement in e-mobility for developing power utility will cover majorly the basic and advanced concepts related to e-mobility and its effect on utility system. It starts with deeper discussion on electric vehicle with special emphasis on different charging techniques. The course is also replete with different types of power processing like ground to vehicle, vehicle to ground, and vehicle to vehicle, which are to be discussed by eminent resource persons. Special emphasis has also been laid on the importance of the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning to the power circuit of EV fast charging. This 6 days program contains total 13 technical sessions and 1 feedback along with questionnaire session. The specialists from this domain will disseminate technological expertise. We hope this course will be beneficial for faculties, PG and PhD students working in power electronics. We are happy to share that a total 117 participants have been registered themselves in this program. They are from various reputed institutes all over the country. Once again, I would like to thanks AICTE Training and Learning Academy for the 100% sponsorship of this faculty development program and our beloved enthusiastic participants for showing their overwhelming interest for this program. Also, I would like to extend my thanks to the patron of this event, our director, Sir Professor Gautam Sutradhar, and Dean Research and Consultancy, Sir Professor M.K. Sinha, Chairperson of this FDP, Dr. Madhu Singh, and all the distinguished experts for giving their consent for this workshop within a short notice. Thank you so much for your kind presence. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Next, I request Dr. Madhu Singh ma'am, Head of Electrical Engineering Department, to share her views. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Archana. A very warm good evening to one and all. Honorable Director, NIT Jamshedpur, Professor Gautam Sutradhar sir, distinguished Chief Guest, Professor Akshay Kumar Rathore, Professor, Singapore Institute of Technology, Professor M.K. Sinha, Dean RNC, and other dignitaries, faculty members, and dear participants. On behalf of Chairman of this Faculty Development Program and Head of the Department of Electrical Engineering, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all in 6-day program. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the coordinators of this FDP. Further, I would like to brief you all about the department. The Department of Electrical Engineering was started in 1960 when our institute was established. The department has been consistently producing quality engineers since its inception, and it's also involved in research and development activities. The alumni the department are well placed in both public and private sectors. In addition to the UG program, the department runs PG program in power system and power electronics and drive, and PG program in different area of specialization. The theme of the FDP, recent advancement in e-mobility for developing power utility, is very timely and also pivotal for the electrical vehicle ecosystem. Conventional fossil fuels are being phased out in favor of cutting-edge battery technology and renewable energy system, ensuring a cleaner and a more sustainable future. Traditional combustion engines are being replaced by advanced electric engines, offering precision, efficiency, and sustainability. The e-mobility innovative systems are not only transforming terrestrial transportation, but also the forefront of space exploration. The ability to power unmanned aircraft carriers, facilitate planetary travel, and operate seamlessly on alien surface underscores their pivotal role in modern engineering. While countries are addressing these issues through investments, subsidiary, and international collaboration. So in this FDP, renowned resource persons from reputed international and national institutions will lead the sessions. Their expertise in mobility technology and charging infrastructure will provide invaluable insight and offering participants a comprehensive understanding of current advancement and future development in the field. All faculty, as faculty members, the participants will not only enhance their own knowledge, but also gain the tools to inspire and educate the next generation of the engineers. This program definitely promises to bridge the gap between emerging technology and the academic learning, fostering innovation and progress in the domain of the e-mobility. Thank you, and I wish you all an enriching learning.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. Next, I request our today's chief guest, Professor Akshay Kumar Rathore, Professor and Programmer Leader, Electrical Power Engineering, Singapore Institute of Technology, Singapore, to enlighten us the occasion with his valuable words. But before this, I would like to request Dr. Simanta Kumar Samal sir, coordinator of this FDP, to introduce our chief guest. Dr. Simanta sir, please.
Thank you. Professor Akshay Kumar Rathod, IEEE Fellow, received the Master degree in Electrical Machine and Drive Specialization from the Indian Institute of Technology, BHU Varanasi, India, and the PhD degree in Power Electronics from the University of Victoria, Canada in 2008. He is currently an expert in power electronics and control of electric motor drives. He had two subsequent postdoctoral research appointments with the University of Wuppertal, Germany, and University of Illinois, Chicago, USA. From 2010 to 2016, he was an assistant professor at the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, National University of Singapore, and from 2016 to 21, he was an associate professor at the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, Concordia University, Montreal, Canada, where he was listed the Provost Circle of Distinction in 2021. During 2021, he was the Graduate Program Director and Chair of Graduate Awards. He has authored and co-authored about 300 research papers in various international journal conferences, which include around 100 IEEE transactions. His research interests include the analysis and design of novel current feed converter, soft switching design, and modulation scheme for the DC-DC converter and multi-level inverters. He was the recipient of the gold medal for securing the highest academic standing in his master's degree. He was also the recipient of the 2013 IEEE IAS Andrew W. Smith Outstanding Young Member Achievement Award. In 2014, Isao Takahashi Power Electronics Award. In 2017, IEEE IES David Irwin Career Award. In 2019, IES Publication Service Recommendation Award. In 2020, IEEE IAS Outstanding Area Chairs Award. Again, in 2020, IEEE Bimal Bose Award for Industrial Electronics Application in Energy Systems. And in 2021, Nagamori Award. Also, he was recognized as Distinguished Alumni Award in Young Achiever category from IIT BHU Varanasi in 2023. With this, I would request our today's chief guest, Professor Akshay Rathod sir, to kindly enlighten us with his word of wisdom. Sir, please.
Thank you very much, Samantha, for the introduction, and thank you, Dr. Madhu, for the invitation and opportunity. Many thanks and much appreciated. I'm a powertronics expert that includes renewable energy, electric transportation, and motor drives. And since electrification is picking up all over the world, including India, with net zero mission of 2070, and because of that, the field of powertronics is going to be unsaturated, and more opportunities are about to come. That also includes the startup companies, right? For example, all over the world, we are using 400-volt electric vehicles, but in India, we are using basically 48 and 72-volt electric vehicles. So this open opportunities for the students, for the entrepreneurs, basically to plan EV chargers for 48 and 72 volts, which is unique in India rather than the Western world, as well as for the traction inverters, which is again unique in India rather than the other Western world, including China and Japan. Our EV scenario is very distinct, very unique compared to other Asian countries as well as Western countries. So these open up a scope for R&D as well as startup companies in India. In addition, we have a strong net zero plan. I mean, all countries, their demand is very less. We are a country of largest population in the world, so our demand is also quite high. And once we go to net zero, it means we don't use turbines, we don't use combustion turbines, we don't use basically coal-based plants, only the renewables and the energy storage. Okay, whenever energy transition happens, the things becomes very complex. Okay, problems are more. Don't think that net zero will solve the problem. Net zero will only solve the problem of carbon, but net zero transition will basically poses challenges. It will basically gives us opportunities also. Okay, so you guys need to study the duck curve, you guys need to study the shark curve, you guys need to study the dragon curve. And when you study these three curves, you will see how the inclusion of renewable energy, how the inclusions of electric vehicles are going to cause problems. Okay, problems never ends. That's why R&D and innovations never end. We just continue. These offers us opportunities. Okay, yeah. So once we have all this integration, and this integration will result into net zero and a different kind of grid, then we have challenges basically that whenever one is down, how to ramp other up. And when basically more than one are ramp up, how to coordinate the energy shuffling between them. Okay, so these changes are going to happen by 2070 slowly in India, and powertronics will play a key role because all the time we need to do conversion, power conditioning from DC to AC and AC to DC, and that's why the field is not going to saturate. Okay, I'm sure that in this 5 days of FDPs, all of us will be hearing different technologies, and we will get some challenging problems to work upon in our R&D, in our thesis, as well as in the department, as well as to build up our professional career. So I hope we all will enjoy that, and this will be a milestone in our next 3 to 5 years of journey. So thank you for giving opportunity to speak today. I will take 1.5 hours of session on AC chargers, AC to DC, and we'll connect. I mean, this is just the start. We'll connect. Even once the FTP ends, we still get connected, and any queries I will be happy to answer over the years also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Next, I request Dr. M.K. Sinha, sir, Dean RNC, NIT Jamshedpur, to share his views.
Yes,
Sir,
am I
please.
audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Online mode. So, Honorable our Director, Sir, Professor Gautam Sutradhar, distinguished Chief Guest, Akshay Kumar Rathore, HOD Electrical Engineering Department, Dr. Madhu Singh, and other dignitary and participants. On the behalf of the Dean and Research, NIT Jamshedpur, I congratulate the Electrical Engineering Department and organizing member, particularly the coordinators, Dr. Minnal Kanti Sarkar and Dr. Simal, who has organized such type of a FDP program for our the faculty members, researchers, and academia. In this, that is, I told that by the our coordinator and head, 117 participants have registered. That shows the this importance of this coursework. As the EV is trending topic of research and innovation in recent time in this FDP, the various aspects of the EV charging techniques, power transfer methodology, policy making, frameworks, and renewable energy based charging infrastructure will be discussed by the different panelists. Particularly the NIT Jamshedpur Research and Consultancy Division consists of the three parts. One part dealing with our IPR section. Right now, there are 66 patent that is the granted and published. There are 67 research project, industry project of the worth approximately 18 crore is going on. On behalf of this, also one that is the section looking for the MOU from the different IIT, NIT, International Institute, Research Institute. There are 40 that is the MOU we have signed, and next that is the 10 in the pipeline. And on the that is the behalf of the NIT Jamshedpur, I definitely say that this workshop will give some output in the direction of project and patent in the electrical vehicle. So I hope all the participants will benefited by attending this upcoming technical session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Next, I want to invite patron of this 6 days online FDP program, Honorable Director, NIT Jamshedpur, Professor Gautam Sutradhar, sir, to kindly enlighten us with his valuable words. Sir, please.
Thank you. Professor Akshay Kumar Rathore, namaskar. Today's chief guest function of, I think it is an inaugural function. I'm really happy Dr. Minal Sarkar and his colleague, Dr. Samal, who are the organizing persons, and also Dr. Madhu Singh, who is the head of the Electrical Engineering Department. I also congratulate Dean RNC, Professor Sinha. Because of their encouragement only, this kind of program is going on. Our electrical engineering is very, very vibrant department, and I'm expecting that they do many such kind of programs, because faculty development program is now very, very essential for many organizations, many institutes, because one reason is that the technology is moving very, very fast. And to cope up with the advancement of the technology, there is no other way to input the teachers, because they are the basically main shaping persons of the students. So our student should be always cope up with the latest technology. And that's why we, as a management of the institute, trying to give more emphasis on this. And I really congratulate Electrical Engineering Department that they have chosen these topics, which is recent advancement in e-mobility for developing the power utility. So It is sponsored by ATAL AICTE program, and it will start from today and it will happen up to 11th January. As Industry 4.0, you know that everything is amalgamation of AI, ML. So now the thing is that, particularly in electrical engineering, the electric vehicle is one of the major challenging and most innovative method of transportation. And that's why this FDP, particularly the recent advancement of e-mobility, is very, very important for such kind of faculty development program. The objective I already told, but the thing is that basic objective is, as Professor Rathore already mentioned, there is a tremendous potential of this country in the area of the power electronics. So we should take this opportunity, because where the people are not wear the shoes, there is enough opportunity to sell the shoes like that. So we are in the, definitely we are not in the front phase, but there is a huge scope of development. That's why Professor already told that in this particular issue, particular area, there is huge potential to grow. So our young faculty members who are very much here, and definitely as the transportation scenario of our country is also changing, and it is also will change in the near future also. Therefore, the enhancing the charging infrastructure, particularly for the EVs, integrating with the renewable energy and adopting smart grid systems, and exploring the innovative solutions like vehicle to grid power transfer and battery swapping. By adopting these technologies, our nation, our country can definitely be the forefront in future. So therefore, in this ongoing developments of e-mobility, which will continue to play a big role in shaping the future of the power utilities and transportations, for the contribution for the both economic as well as environmental sustainability, because nowadays sustainability is coming in point of not only environment but also social and also economic sustainability. So all this sustainability is very, very important phenomenon nowadays. So manufacturing is having some challenges, because any industrialization, we know that it is a negative impact on the environment. So our main objective should be that even resources, natural resources, which is not abundant, and that sustainability is also very important. So I'm happy to know that there will be 13 technical sessions and around 115 participants who have registered. They will join this program, and I hope that my young teachers and the research scholars who are the future engineer of our country, they should give full energy to understand the whole issue, because this kind of faculty program must be always two-way communication. It should not be conventional classes like one-way communication. So my submission is to all the participants that enjoy, try to understand, don't keep yourself that I know or I do not know. Everybody, new technology always a challenge. You have to learn, and then only you can expertise in this field. So thank you very much to the head electrical engineering and other organizers, co-organizers. So I'm really happy to be here. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now, last but not least, I request Dr. Simanta Kumar Samal, sir, co-coordinator of this FDP, to conclude the ceremony by presenting a vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Thank you, Archana. Good evening, one and all. Honorable Director, NIT Jamshedpur, Professor Gautam Sutradhar, sir. Distinguished Chief Guest, Professor Akshay Kumar Rathore, sir. Professor M.K. Sinha, Dean RNC, and Dr. Madhu Singh, HOD, Electrical Engineering Department, and other dignitaries, faculty members, and my dear participants. I would like to take the privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of this inaugural ceremony of this 6 days online faculty development program on recent advancement in e-mobility for developing power utility. First and foremost, I express my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Director Sir for his able guidance to conduct this event. Next, I and the entire organizing team express our heartfelt thanks to our today's chief guest, Professor Akshay Rathod Sir, for his valuable key points and also for giving his consent within a short notice despite of his busy schedule. Further, we are also grateful to Professor M.K. Sinha, Dean RNC, for gracing the occasion and giving his valuable message. We are also grateful to Dr. Madhu Singh, HOD Electrical, for her words of encouragement and her support in conducting this event. Her able guidance has always encouraged us to do this kind of things. We would like to thank all the dignitaries for gracing the occasion. I would like to thank all the faculty members of the department for their support and coordinating this event. I would like to thank the research scholars for the department and student coordinators for their sincere effort. And last but not the least, I thank all the participants for joining this program. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Namaskar. I'm going off.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaste.